Always read your use and care guide. This video is for informational purposes only. Warning: fire hazard. Never place items in the washer that are dampened with gasoline or other flammable fluids. No washer can completely remove oil. Do not dry anything that has ever had any type of oil on it, including cooking oils. Doing so can result in death, explosion, or fire. For best cleaning results, sort and prepare your laundry before loading it into the washer. Empty all pockets of loose change, buttons, or any small object that could pass under the wash plate. These items can become trapped, causing unexpected sounds. Sort items by recommended cycle, water temperature, and color fastness. Separate heavily soiled items from lightly soiled. Separate delicate items from sturdy fabrics. Separate lint takers from lint givers. Synthetics, knits, and corduroy fabrics pick up lint from towels, rugs, and chenille fabrics. Always read and follow fabric care label instructions to avoid damage to your garments. Close zippers, fasten hooks, tie strings and sashes, and remove non-washable trim and ornaments. Mend rips and tears to avoid further damage to items during washing. Turn knits inside out to avoid pulling. Use mesh garment bags to avoid tangling when washing delicate or small items. Load garments in loose heaps evenly around the wash plate. Try mixing different sized garments to reduce tangling. Garments need to move freely for best cleaning and to reduce wrinkling and tangling. Do not load garments directly over the center of the wash plate. When loaded, the center of the wash plate should be visible.